In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send an invoice using FreshBooks. Whether you're a freelancer managing your own accounts or a small business owner, invoicing correctly is crucial for maintaining professional relationships and ensuring efficient payments. First, let's navigate to FreshBooks, an excellent invoicing and accounting software designed specifically for small businesses. Once you're on the FreshBooks dashboard, you'll want to click on Create New. This is your starting point for crafting a new invoice. From the drop-down menu, simply select Invoice to begin the process. When you're creating the invoice, you'll have two options. You can either select an existing client from your records or add a new client. If this is your first time invoicing this particular client, make sure to enter all their relevant details to keep your client list updated. This helps streamline future invoicing as well. Next, it's time to add the line items to your invoice. This includes the services or products you've provided. Be sure to specify the quantity and the price, as these details will help clarify and justify the total amount due. Transparency is key in all business transactions. After this, remember to set the issue date and due date for your invoice. It's also wise to clearly state the payment terms to prevent any misunderstandings. Don't skip on the descriptions either, including detailed descriptions of services or products along with any notes you may have for the client, can foster clear communication. This ensures that both parties are on the same page regarding the work done or the purchase made. Adding your company logo and customizing the invoice style isn't just about aesthetics. It also reinforces your brand identity. FreshBooks offers various templates, so feel free to experiment with styles that best represent your brand. Now that the invoice is fully prepared, it's time to send it. Once you click Send, a final overview screen will appear. Take a moment to review this page. It shows the client's email address and the subject line, which FreshBooks fills in automatically. Double-check all the information to verify its accuracy. After everything looks good and you're confident that the invoice is correct, go ahead and click Send Invoice. This will email the invoice directly to your client, wrapping up the process neatly. Invoicing with FreshBooks is that simple. By following these steps, you're ensuring that your financial interactions remain organized and professional. Proper invoicing not only boosts your business's credibility, but also keeps your payments flowing smoothly. So go ahead and try it out. Once you get the hang of it, FreshBooks can become a powerful tool in your business's financial arsenal. Thank you for watching, and happy invoicing.